2020 has not been the amazing year we all hoped for, especially with this epidemic going around. As y'all might know, not only was our daily life impacted, but as well as our education. School went online in order to lessen the virus, however, many struggled to adapt to this new environment. I mean, how can you blame them? There's no one to remind you what to do, much less force you to do it. Moreover, I personally fall victim to procrastination. If you can relate to this, then continue watching for tips on how to survive online school.
Rising up like a phoenixes, been tired of pushed to the ground.
Welcome and welcome back everyone, my name is Nelly for those who didn't know, and as the title states, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to survive online school. So for me, I started school last Thursday, but my college classes haven't started yet for the fall. However, I'm finalizing now my summer classes, which is really nice because I will get to have a 2 weeks vacation and I will enjoy it as much as I can. I will admit that I am a procrastinator. I love that free time. I don't care if I stress in the end. I just want to enjoy my life. But that won't work for me right now. So recently I have been getting all my life together with these tips that I'm about to show you. Shall we get started? It is important to wake up early so you can have time to get ready for the day, which will make you feel more awake and productive. Trust me on this when I say that waking at least an hour early before it's time to go to class is very helpful. During this time, you can make your bed so you won't fall back to sleep, wash your face, hydrate yourself, and do some stretches. Remember to drink water every day because water is the most refreshing drink that you can ever drink. Here is just me getting my things ready to go prep my face for the day. It is now time to go stretch your body out. Once you are awake, you will feel your energy slowly coming back, but chances are you will still feel like a potato. This is where tip number 2 comes in. Getting ready doesn't necessarily mean to wear a glamorous outfit that's uncomfortable. No, that won't work unless that's how you do it, and if so, then go ahead. But if you don't, then just change your clothes to something you wear when going outside, but comfortable. It can be shorts with a blouse, sweatpants and a cute shirt, and etc. Just don't stay in the same clothes you have when you wake up. Plus, if you feel that your face is not it, then apply some light makeup or a full look, whichever makes you more energized. You can also try a new hairstyle or go with your everyday bun like I do. Let's be honest now. How many of us have our study space dirty? Well, for one, I do. So before starting the productivity, make sure to clear it up. This will motivate you a lot and make you want to be productive. After you clear space, get your utilities ready to go. Bring out the highlighters, notebook mechanicals, iPad, laptops, everything you need to make it through your classes. The only way school communicates with us is through emails or messages sent from the applications we use. It is important to set some time aside to check if you receive any important messages or notices. This way you won't miss anything. So for me, I use Canvas and Schoology a lot and sometimes Remind and emails. Don't just start working on an assignment as you go throughout the day. This will only increase a lot of stress and confuse you. It is better to take out your planner or your journal, even a piece of paper helps, and write a quick to-do list. Write everything you need to get done and check it once it's completed. This plan will serve as a guide of what you need to do and what you didn't do so you can move it to a later date. Doing this will help you feel more organized and ready. Also write your schedule for your classes so there won't be any "I forgot" mistakes. Make sure to keep it close to you so whenever the teacher mentions a due date, you quickly write it down. Snacks are essential to everyone right now, especially that we are in a long period of time in our classes. So a good way to keep focused plus maintain energized is to have some quick snacks to eat. So I know a lot of people are not allowed to eat during their reader chat class, so I would recommend them to eat them during their break times or in between transitioning from one class. But if you're not one of them, then I would just say to eat it during class. As long as you're not being annoying, that's okay. Staying focused in a lecture when you can just click out of the class is very tempting, but you shouldn't do it. If you see you're getting distracted, get rid of the cause. Don't go talking to your friend, leaving the room, or being on your phone. If necessary, take notes on whatever they're saying to help you out. It is important to keep in contact with a friend because they will be your support when you need something to be clarified or just motivated. I stay in contact with my friends because it is nice to keep talking to them and relating to things. Thanks to them, I get a lot of motivation and confidence to get through the day. Believe me when I say that I was that student that was too scared to bother the teacher with questions. I thought I was being annoying or gonna get yelled at. Well, it's different now. You can ask directly in the video chat. However, if you still feel shy or scared, ask them through email. The worst thing they can say is no. Plus, it's not as scary as being face to face because they won't see you. Remember to take a break. It is important to take a break because if you don't, all that stress that you're gathering is gonna collapse, and that is not a good thing. Breaks are good to take. Allow yourself some time to relax, refresh, take your eyes off the computer, phones, everything. Just relax. 2. Break down your assignments. It is important to gather all your week assignments and break each of them down by scheduling which one are you gonna do when and where, so you're ahead of what you're gonna do and not confuse yourself. For this one, I have 2 ways that I do it. One is for my procrastinators who are like me, a procrastinator by heart and love to enjoy their free time. So for this one, the goal is to have as much as free time possible. The second way is for my productive people. Sometimes you want to do something every day so you don't feel like a lazy person, but you don't want to do a lot of stress in one day and then another stress another day. No, it's just like stress in a day. One is just like a relaxing, not that much hard work assignment. But if you want me to go more in depth on these 2 ways, remember to comment down below for more. And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, plus found it helpful to you, because I for one don't want to struggle, especially right now. And if you did find this tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more future videos. Bye.